Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is a uniform members is TDY to US installation will be staying in government quarters and has all three meals available in a government dining facilities. Which meal rate will apply to the travel? Option A government meal rate, option B locality meal rate, option C proportional meal rate, option D incidental expenses only. The correct answer of the question is option A government meal rate. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are answer sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.